What are industrial robot arms?
Industrial robot arms are programmable machines designed to move objects, assemble parts, or perform repetitive tasks in factories. They are modeled after the structure of a human arm, featuring joints and segments that give them flexibility and precision. These robots help boost productivity, improve safety, and maintain consistency in manufacturing processes.
Key parts and how they work.
A typical industrial robot arm consists of several main parts: the base, shoulder, elbow, wrist, and an end effector or tool at the tip. Each joint is controlled by motors, allowing the arm to bend, rotate, and reach different positions. Sensors provide feedback, helping the robot move accurately and avoid obstacles.
Common tasks they perform.
Industrial robot arms handle a wide range of jobs on factory floors. They can weld, paint, pick and place parts, package products, and even assemble intricate electronics. Their ability to perform repetitive work without fatigue makes them ideal for tasks that require speed and precision.
Benefits in manufacturing.
Using robot arms in manufacturing brings major benefits. They increase productivity by working non-stop, reduce human error, and enhance workplace safety by performing dangerous or physically demanding tasks. This leads to more consistent product quality and can free up human workers to focus on more creative or complex work.
Future trends and innovations.
Industrial robot arms are becoming smarter and more adaptable. Advances like artificial vision, improved sensors, and easier programming allow them to take on new roles and work alongside human coworkers. As technology improves, robot arms will continue shaping the future of manufacturing with even greater efficiency and flexibility.